Hello everyone, today we will demonstrate how to upload videos through a computer. First, we will remove the TF card from the machine and insert the card reader into the computer. Let's check if the computer has recognized the USB drive. Next, when operating computer software, we need to ensure that we have obtained administrator privileges to set it up like this. Check the options for Run Program in Compatibility Mode and Run Program as Administrator. Or select Run as Administrator when starting. After the program starts, we select the corresponding model, such as H14. Warning: if the model does not match, the displayed screen will be garbled. Next, we will select the videos we need to upload. We support selecting multiple videos at once. Next, we need to select the directory for the converted video output. Since we have inserted a USB drive, the program will automatically prioritize displaying the path of the USB drive. If the directory is correct, we only need to verify it. Next are some advanced features that allow us to rotate, transform, and perform other operations on the video. For example, we can rotate this video. Finally, we just need to click the conversion button. We can view the generated video in the USB drive directory. We see that a new video called 15 bin has been generated. Next, we will eject the USB flash drive. Simply insert the TF card into the device to start playing. Thank you all for watching.